Mr. Clavier, I don't know, rents out 2 different studio spaces to bands. The equations shown below represent the total cost in dollars to rent each studio for X hours. So the large studio is Y equals $80 per hour plus 40 bucks. The small studio is going to be $60 per hour plus 60 bucks. Based on the system of equations, which statement about the rental cost is correct? There is no length of time at which the rental cost for the large studio is equal. Okay, so we need to set these equal to each other. All right, well, let's think smart here. If Y equals 80x plus 40, and Y also equals 60x plus 60, Y equals this, Y equals that, then this equals that. So I'm going to set 80x plus 40 equal to 60x plus 60, like so. Now I have 2 variables, one on the left, one on the right. I like to get rid of the one on the right, so let's subtract 60 from both sides. Subtract 60 from both sides, cross you out. Okay, let's give myself a little bit more space. 80x minus 60x is 20x. Then we drop down plus 40 equals 60. Now I have a 2-step equation. Let's subtract 40 from both sides and eliminate the number that's floating around by doing the opposite. 20x equals 20. Now, 1-step equation, the last step we need to take, divide both sides by 20. Divide both sides by 20, and 20 divided by 20 is 1. Now, x represented hours, so this problem is going to be 1 hour that they're equal to. So let's read through them. There is no length of time at which the rental cost for the larger studio is equal. That's wrong. There is no length of time for which the rental cost of the large studio is equal. That's wrong. There is a length of time at which the rental cost for the large studio is equal to the rental cost of the small studio, since the graph consists of 2 curves that intersect at 2 points. No, these are straight lines. Y equals mx plus b. There is a length of time at which the rental cost for the large studio is equal to the rental cost of the small studio, since the graph consists of 2 straight lines that intersect at 1 single point. I did way too much. Basically, you're just looking at this and saying, you're a straight line, and you're a straight line, and you're going to intersect. Well, I wasted some time there. That's all right. More time means more YouTube money for me.